guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing another super in-depth and super honest review on the Coach Mini Gallery Bag in the signature canvas print and the light khaki and white color. I'll be doing close-up shots, showing you what fits inside, the pros and cons, and my overall final score of this bag, and if I would recommend that you should get it or not. So if you're interested in that, then please keep on watching. So first of all, let's start off with price and where to buy this bag. So I ordered this bag online on the Coach Outlet website. However, you can also get it at the Coach Outlet stores in person as well. It regularly retails for 360 Canadian dollars, but I got mine on sale for around 129 Canadian dollars. And shipping was free, so that was nice. So now I'm just going to do an in-depth overview of the specs and details of this bag. Here's the front of the bag, the side, and the back. Here is the bottom, and the top. And the inside just looks like this. So on the front here we have the gorgeous Coach metal logo. The logo is actually engraved in the side hardware as well, and also embossed on the classic leather Coach tab here. And even on these tiny beads you can see that Coach is engraved in there, which is an insane level of detail. The Coach logo is also engraved in the zipper pull as well on both sides. There's the classic Coach stamp here, and then two fabric slip pockets inside. It also comes with a removable and adjustable crossbody strap made of leather, and here are the detachable hooks here. So now I'm just going to be showing you what fits inside this bag. So first of all, I like to put just some cards here, my most used cards. I'm just showing you these two as an example. You can fit multiple cards in each slot. I would say probably up to 3 comfortably, but maybe even more than that. They're really spacious, and because they're fabric, they have a lot of stretch and give. Here I have a pouch that I'm using as a wallet, a little catch-all with band-aids, scissors, and hair ties, hand sanitizer, and my keys. And yeah, you can probably fit a little bit more than that, but that's what I like to carry in here. Personally, I like to keep it nice and simple as just a little minimal errand running bag. So now this is me just doing some mod shots with the bag. This is me wearing it with the long strap on one shoulder, as you can see here. You can also choose to wear it crossbody. And this is where it falls on me. I'm 5'2" for reference, and keep in mind that the shoulder strap is adjustable, so you can adjust it to your height and liking. And you can also choose to carry it by the mini straps at the front, which is super cute. And yeah, just overall, this is such an adorable little mini bag. So now I'm just going to be going over the pros and cons of this bag. So let's start off with the pros. The first pro is that because it is this smooth canvasy leather, it's super waterproof and stain proof, which is nice. It's very easy to just wipe it clean if any kind of snow or rain or spills get on it, compared to if it was a fabric bag. The top zip is very smooth, which is really nice. And also the zipper does not taper off the edges, as I find whenever bags have that, it's a huge pain to close it because you need to like use one hand to hold the zipper taut and then use the other hand to close it. I like how you can just use one hand to open and close this bag with ease. Although this bag looks tiny, because of the wide base, it fits a lot more than it looks like. The 2 fabric card slots at the side are super useful. In case you don't want to carry your whole wallet, it's really nice that they have that there. Another huge pro, and this goes without saying, but the little mini size is super adorable and cute, and it's bound to get you a lot of compliments just because of how tiny and cute it is. It can be carried many different ways, with the long crossbody strap worn across your body or on your shoulder. You can also carry it handheld like a little mini bag like this, which I find super adorable as well. I also like that the mini straps can be placed down so they don't get in the way when you're trying to open the zipper. This is a great little mini simple bag for going out to run errands such as grocery shopping, just going for a movie night or date night. It's super small, sleek, and simple, which I love. And the final pro I can think of is that it's incredibly high quality, and you can tell. The Coach logo is engraved on pretty much every single piece of hardware you can think of on this piece, and the attention to detail is definitely there. The stitching and the leather, everything is in place, and I have absolutely no complaints when it comes to the quality, especially for the price. So now for the cons of this little bag. Of course, this goes without saying, but it is a very, very mini bag. It is absolutely tiny, so it probably wouldn't work as an absolutely everyday bag unless, of course, you are a really minimal person. It doesn't fit a mini umbrella or mini water bottle. Another con is that it would have been nice if it had like a back slip pocket back here or just something. And also if it had like a zippered pocket in the back. Yeah, that's about all of the cons I can think of. Of course, the biggest con is that it's small, but of course, if you go into this bag buying it, you obviously know that it's not like a super everyday bag that you can carry like your laptop in and stuff. You know going into it that you're buying a super mini bag. So in that regard, I think it's definitely one of the better mini bags out there, as it still retains a decent amount of functionality despite its mini size. So overall, my final score of this bag is an 8.5 out of 10. It's super lightweight, simple, easy breezy, high quality, and does what it needs to do in terms of a mini bag. Overall, I would highly, highly recommend it to you guys. That is it for this review, guys. Thank you so very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, as it would truly mean more to me than you know. And please also consider giving this video a like. It just takes a second, but it helps me out so much. And yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. Thank you all again so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!